Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी tech बहू जो है tips and tricks to make your life simpler and easier. Today we're gonna do a quick review of protein bars, and not any protein bar. We are doing a review of the Cliff protein bar, which has millions of options. You go to a store, you go to a Dollarama, and there are different flavors. Obviously we wouldn't be tasting, but I have 4 special flavors for us today, so let's get started. The first one on my list is coconut chocolate chip. This has like a white creamish cover on it, and this is supposed to be a good snack whenever you feel hungry, because it's supposed to be less in sugar. But this has 20 grams of sugar, so I'm not very sure if this is the right reason of eating it. Let's go and see. This is how the bar looks like, with a nice chocolate glazing on top of this. From the fragrance, you can smell the coconut. Nice and chewy. The chocolate chips melt in your mouth. So it's giving a nice texture. It's nice. And if you're a coconut fan, then this one's for you. If you're not, then probably don't even try this. The next one on our list is nut butter filled chocolate peanut butter. And if you've already been watching my videos, I'm a big fan of chocolate and peanut butter, both, so it's for me. So there are 2 that we have. We have chocolate peanut butter and also another chocolate hazelnut butter. So first we'll go with this one. So again, this is having some sugar in it for sure. Okay, 9 grams, a little lesser. So this is how this looks. This is more brown because probably there's cocoa in the batter. Can you see this? It is stuffed with the peanut butter, which is looking amazing. It's center filled like it says. I'm not a very big fan, because the peanut butter is not very rich in peanut flavor, and it's too creamy and it's sticking. I know peanut butter is creamy, but this one's a little more than usual. So I'm still with the coconut one until this proves me wrong. This is nut butter filled. So since this is hazelnut butter filled, you can see this is nice and brown in the center. Definitely more better than the other one. But I still like the coconut one better. And then the new one in the market. This is fruit smoothie filled. Wild blueberry. I love blueberries. Let's see how this for us. ASMR. This is how it looks. Blueberry in the center. It smells like the blueberry, usual artificial blueberry, but tastes fine. Has more like a canned feeling, but it's okay. So out of the 4 that I tried today, I think this is number 1, the coconut. And the second one is this fruit smoothie. And the third one is the chocolate hazelnut. you've tried these, do let me know which one's your favorite down below in the comments. If there's something else you'd like me to try, please mention it in the comments next time, for next time as well. Until next time, this is your Tech Bahu signing off.